Hey, good afternoon, YouTube. This is Sean. I'm back at the Stinnett shop. I got in a wreck with my Lincoln in May and just totaled it, so haven't been doing too many videos lately. But today I'm working on the Predator 3500 generator. We've had it for probably a couple of years, and it's only got 131 hours on it and about, I don't know, maybe 60 hours on the meter. The only thing that works is the countdown timer and the total hours. Some people say you can order a new display module, but I haven't did that yet. We were having some trouble last time we used it a week or so ago with it surging and then dying. So I Googled the issue on the internet, and there's quite a few videos on taking the jet out and making sure that's clean. So I did that, and there are a bunch of videos on how to do that, but you got to be careful putting the idle screw back in because it's plastic and it's kind of at a wonky angle, so you can strip that out pretty easy. But so we're gonna run the generator, and we're gonna run a few appliances and see how it sounds. So here's the unit, and it's been running for probably a half hour, so it's pretty warm, so should start right up. So when you go through the functions, so I have the amps don't work, so total time works and runtime works. That's it. So we have this Frigidaire 5000 BTU air conditioner, and we'll fire it up. We'll go right to high cool. Doesn't sound too bad. Then we have one of the shop evaporative coolers. So we'll go on pump first. No real big load change there. And then we'll go to high fan and pump. So definitely load there. And I'll go ahead and turn everything off. So I guess, I use this for my daughter's photo trailer. We have a couple 1950s restored vintage travel trailers that she uses for photo events, and inside it has LED lights, a computer, and some type of high-speed printer for pictures. When the gauges worked, it wasn't pulling very many amps, but now that it doesn't work and we had some surging issues, I kind of need to have something that works, that I trust. And I'm just kind of debating whether I should buy another one of these or not. A couple people that had the portable Cummins generators, they liked those. And those are probably double the price of a Harbor Freight Predator 3500. So I don't know. Leave me a couple comments and tell me what you think. Thanks. Bye.